I am shocked right now. Loam has an impact on the microbiome within 48 hours. We're seeing significant short-chain fatty acid production. I want to apologize because what I said about our human fecal studies was not quite accurate. We didn't see changes within 48 hours. We saw changes within 6 hours. Specifically, we saw significant acetate production within 6 hours versus normal controls. That's this blue box over here. For butyrate, another important short-chain fatty acid, we saw significant increases at 24 to 48 hours. But we wanted to look even more closely at one specific type of short-chain fatty acid which isn't really spoken about much, but it's a powerhouse for your health. Propionate, or propionic acid. The gut bacteria which produce the most propionate are things like Bacteroides species, Akkermansia muciniphila, and Vianella. These are very important keystone bacterial species. They're involved with things like weight regulation, metabolic health, insulin sensitivity, gut barrier function. And propionate specifically is involved with reducing cholesterol synthesis in the liver, regulating fullness hormone signaling via GLP-1 and PYY pathways. So it was pretty incredible to see this huge propiogenic effect of loam. Loam feeds keystone bacterial species like these propionate producers, and we saw statistically significant increases in propionate at 24 and 48 hours. We also wanted to compare this propiogenic effect specifically with inulin, which is the most common fiber you'll find in foods, beverages, sodas, and even supplements. Within 48 hours, loam produced almost double the amount of propionate than inulin. And we saw these same effects reflected in the ulcerative colitis cohort too. So what does this all actually mean? It means that when you take loam, your gut bacteria start producing short-chain fatty acids within hours, not days. This validates our entire formulation strategy. We combine multiple different types of prebiotic fibers to maximize fermentability. Loam displayed consistency and reliability of effect across different donors with different gut ecosystems. So whether it's you, me, or a stranger, loam has a higher chance of working across different gut types versus inulin. In the age of sensational marketing and claims, I wanted to go the long-winded, boring route. I wanted to do the studies, work with independent labs, and share the results as we get them. This data continues to give me the confidence that what we put in loam actually does what we say it does. And we're not stopping here. There's even more studies coming. If you're taking loam, this is validation that it's working on a microbial level. And if you're considering it, this is the kind of data that should hopefully inform your decision. Thank you for being part of this journey.